Alright guys, so we have the module from the Jeep Patriot. By module I mean the blend door motor. I just call it a module because it's a little component that controls it's an electrical component that controls the blend door on the Jeep. So I had recently someone asked me, how did this piece go bad? Can you repair this piece? First of all, I want to say this piece is not that expensive. Alright? To repair this, it might work, it might not work. It might work for a few days, it might not work at all. So it'd be a waste of our time to repair this little module. A lot of things gonna go wrong in it. It has electrical motor inside, gears. It has a connector. It could be a lot of things, you know. It could be a weak motor that it works. Sometimes it doesn't work. So let's pop this open, you know. And this thing has clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all you do is you take a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna have to work a little hard. Like this one, I was trying to recently try to do it, but I mean, if you're not gonna reuse the module, you can just take these and just break them off, because they're hard to, because they'll grab back on once you let them go. So let me try doing it without breaking them. So as one comes out, you gotta hold it from letting it go back into the spot. At the same time, you're gonna push open just like that. Alright, so once we have this thing coming apart, let me hold it this way, and there it is. This is just a cover. It has a 2-pin connector, and that runs straight to the motor, positive, negative. The polarity will switch if you're going the opposite direction. So if you're turning the knob for the hot, it might turn one way. You put it to cold, the polarity will switch and turn the motor the opposite direction. So this thing has 3 gears, 1, 2, 3, and then I got the spiral gear here. So when this motor turns, it turns. I could already see a problem. It's a problem right here. This look like this gear is bad right here. It's been grinded right there. Alright, so this must have been the issue. This is jammed up. So there's no way you're gonna find this gear right here. You might find it, but there's no point of it, because like I said, this module is not that expensive. 30-40 bucks, no more than that. So let's take this out. Let's get this gear out. So the problem was here. This gear is meshed up. This is a lot of force on this, from this motor to this gear, so it chewed up this gear right here. So that was the problem there. That's why this stopped working. Alright, so if you have this issue, just replace this module, alright? The blend door motor. Alright, so let me put this back together. Now you guys see what's inside of this and what kind of problem you can have. It could be a weak motor, bad gears. It could be that this motor is jammed up. Sometimes when you tap it on the module, on the blend door motor module, it will start working, but eventually it will stop. So to put this back together, you just clamp it back on, and that's it. Like I said, sometimes you can hit this and it will start working. You can tap it with the impact and it will work for a little while, then eventually it will go off again. Alright, so there you have it. Blend door motor and what's inside, and what kind of possible things can go wrong inside that.